Hi, everyone. I'm Scott Biel, Ag Services Safety Director for MKC. Today's topic for discussion is preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance refers to the regular inspection, lubrication, maintenance, and repair of equipment to keep your facility running efficiently and safely. Preventative maintenance includes regular scheduled inspections to include that the equipment is operating properly, lubrication and other appropriate maintenance, which we complete according to manufacturer's recommendations, keeping written records of the maintenance performed and the date it was completed, correcting issues identified while completing preventative maintenance, following safety procedures while performing preventative maintenance, including employee training and lockout tagout of equipment being repaired. Always test to make sure that the equipment won't start after you've applied your lock and tag. Locks and tags should only be removed by the employee who put them on. Preventative maintenance is crucial because it keeps our equipment running safely as we work in our facilities. Proper preventative maintenance will reduce ignition sources in the facility, which will protect our employees from grain dust explosions and fires. Proper preventative maintenance will also ensure that our facilities run at peak performance when our member owners rely on us the most, and that is during harvest. Let's make sure that all of our pre-harvest checklists are complete and that any priority items are submitted to the millwright team for repairs, so we are prepared for our busiest time of the year. Thank you for your time, and please remember to put safety first every day for every task.